Have you ever wondered why flamingos are pink? You might have heard different theories, from them being born with pink feathers to having a love for pink food. However, these are all common misconceptions. Flamingos, those tall, graceful birds often seen standing on one leg, are not naturally pink. In fact, the story behind their distinctive color is much more intriguing than you might imagine. You see, the world of flamingos is a colorful one, not just because of their vibrant plumage, but also due to their unique biology and ecology. These birds are a perfect example of nature's creativity, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Their pink color is not just a random occurrence, but a result of a complex biological process that has everything to do with what they eat. So if they're not naturally pink, what makes flamingos pink? To understand the real reason, we need to delve into the diet of these fascinating birds. Flamingos feed on a diet rich in a particular type of organisms. Yes, these leggy birds are known for their somewhat unorthodox eating habits. They're not picky eaters, but they do have a few favorites. Topping the list are brine shrimp and blue-green algae, both of which thrive in the saline and alkaline environments that flamingos call home. Now, these might not sound like the most appetizing meals to us, but for flamingos, they're a feast. But it's not just about filling their bellies. These foods are packed with a group of pigments known as carotenoids. Carotenoids, you see, are what give brine shrimp and blue-green algae their vibrant colors. They're the same pigments that make carrots orange and leaves turn red in the fall. For flamingos, these carotenoids are a crucial part of their diet. Now you may ask, what role do these carotenoids play? Well, they are the secret behind the pink color. Carotenoids are organic pigments found in the diet of flamingos. Yes, these vibrant pigments are responsible for the flamingo's iconic pink glow. But how does this happen? Well, it all starts when the flamingos feast on their favorite foods like shrimp and blue-green algae, which are rich in carotenoids. These pigments, once ingested, undergo a fascinating transformation within the flamingo's body. As these carotenoids journey through the digestive tract, they are broken down in the liver into pink and orange pigment molecules. It's a little like nature's own paint factory, producing the hues that give flamingos their signature look. But the journey doesn't end there. These pigments are then absorbed by fats and transported to different parts of the bird's body, including their feathers, bill, and legs. There, they're deposited, staining these body parts in shades of pink and orange. So, the pink color that you see is actually the result of a chemical reaction. Interestingly, flamingos are not born pink. Yes, you heard it right. When flamingos hatch from their eggs, they are not the vibrant pink we associate them with. Instead, they sport a more subdued palette of greys and whites. Like a blank canvas awaiting the artist's brush, these chicks are ready to transform. This transformation doesn't happen overnight, though. It takes 2 to 3 years of a steady diet rich in, you guessed it, carotenoids. These compounds, found in the algae and crustaceans that flamingos feast upon, are the secret ingredient to their rosy glow. As they consume more and more of these carotenoid-rich foods, the color seeps into their feathers, gradually painting them in shades of pink, orange, and sometimes red. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? A slow, yet steady change, all stemming from what they eat. So, it's their diet that paints them pink over time. The vibrant pink flamingo is, in essence, a beautiful testament to the power of a good diet. In essence, the pink color of flamingos is not a mere coincidence or a fashion choice. It's a result of a fascinating journey, a tale of survival and adaptation. The color pink is the flamingo's signature style, yes, but it's more about what they eat than who they are. Their diet, rich in shrimp and blue-green algae, is the key. These foods contain carotenoids, the magic ingredient that paints the flamingos in shades of pink. The carotenoids are broken down into pigments in the liver, which are then deposited in the feathers, beak, and legs of the flamingos. But remember, flamingos aren't born pink. They start life as grey or white chicks. It's only after about 3 years of feasting on carotenoid-rich food that they don the rosy hue we all know and love. So the next time you see a pink flamingo, you know it's their meal ticket to a vibrant wardrobe.